In this video, I'll show you how to send a money transfer with Wise. Now, there's two ways to do this. The first is to manually add money into your Wise account first. If you need to do any foreign currency transactions, you can exchange the currency, and then once that's there, you can send it out. The other way, which may be easier for you, if you have a banking app on your phone, is you can link Wise with your banking app, and you can tell Wise exactly how much you want to send, and then you can draw the money out of your bank and do an FX if you need to as well. So what you're telling Wise is exactly how much the other person has to receive, and Wise is going to tell you how much that costs and then draw the money out of your bank. So I'll show you both methods in this video. Firstly, I'll show you how to do everything manually step by step so you know exactly what you're doing. So if you are a new user to Wise, what you'll need to do is add some money into your account firstly. And the way that we do that, up at the top it says add money, so we're going to press that. Now it's going to default to your local currency. For me that's pounds, but for you it may be something else. So let's say that I want to put £50 into my Wise account here. That's fine. It says paying in pounds and then paying with. Now I've got a bank account already linked. If you don't and you're a new user, then it's just going to ask you to add some details here. So on the right hand side, for me it says change my details. For you it will say add details. So I'm going to press change here and we'll go through all of the methods of getting some local currency into Wise. So for the most part, what you want to do is a local bank transfer, which in the UK would be free. In most other countries, I assume this is going to be free as well if you're just sending domestically from your bank into Wise. So I'm going to press bank transfer here. Down at the bottom, I'm going to press continue. It's going to automatically try to open the banking app on my phone. And so it says, which bank are you using? Now, if you have the banking app on your phone, you can choose the bank that you have. And what it's going to do is open that app on your phone. You can then log into your banking app. And your banking app will say, do you want to link with Wise? And you can say yes. And then it's going to ask you, which account do you want to use? And how much money do you want to send from it? So you can do that automatically on your phone. It's really easy. Now, if you don't have this option, what you can do is scroll down to the bottom here. And you can say bank not listed, manual bank transfer. I'm going to press this and we're going to press continue. And what it's going to give me is my local banking details for my Wise account. So if you need to manually transfer money from your bank, if you don't have an app on your phone, then you can use these details. Go into your bank or however you do that, log into it, and you can manually transfer money to the bank details that Wise give you here. Once you've made that bank transfer, you should pretty quickly see the balance in your account. So now you have money to send out. Now you're going to need to add a recipient to send it to. So go down to the recipients down at the bottom here on the right hand side, and you can just add these recipients. So if you're sending locally in your own country, then you can add bank account details for anyone in your country, and they'll use the local banking system, which for the most part should be free and pretty quick, but it depends on the country. If you're sending internationally, you can also add international bank details, no problem. So we can do that here. What you want to do up in the top left is press add, and then it's going to ask you to add the bank details that where you want to send the money. So firstly, what you need to do is tell Wise the bank account that you're sending to, which currency does that use? So let's say that we want to add a US dollar bank account, and there's lots of ways to send. So if you know that the other person has a Wise account, you can just ask for their Wise tag and you can send the money internally with Wise. What I'll show you how to do is add bank details. So we'll press bank details here. Who is the recipient? Let's say that it is myself. And as you can see, it auto-fills my name. And then from here, it says recipient's bank details. You need to figure out how you send this. Now, if I'm sending locally in the US, because it's a dollar account, I would choose either ACH or wire. For international payments, I want to use a SWIFT network. So if you're sending money internationally, for the vast majority of this, you'll be sending a SWIFT transfer. And what you need to do is go over to the bank account internationally and get the SWIFT details, so the IBAN, for example. So if I press SWIFT, you'll see here that sending USD to someone outside the US is an extra fee. You have to pay a fee for using the SWIFT network. Notice down at the bottom, there's a SWIFT code and an IBAN. So you have to get that. Now what I'm going to do is go back and just show you sending money locally as well. So let's say that the currency of the account that I want to add is actually a local currency to me, which is pounds. So I'll click that. We'll get the bank details here and I'll send to myself. And notice that it just says for me, local bank account. Now IBAN and SWIFT, not necessary, because in the UK, we use sort code and account number. So that's very easy to put it in there. So if you're sending locally, you'll know which bank account system that you're going to use, so you can get the local bank details. If you're sending internationally, for the most part, you'll want to get SWIFT details, so SWIFT code and IBAN. Once you've added the recipient details, you can now just effect the transfer out. Now, like I said, you can manually transfer money in. Let's say that you have a local currency and you're sending an international payment. Well, you would have to do the foreign currency exchange first before sending that payment. So in your currency accounts, if you sent some money into your account, you would go into them. So let's say I have some pound sterling here, and in the middle here, you can say there's a convert button. You can press that and then convert your local currency into the currency that you want to send. Press convert, and it will say convert X amount of pounds into dollars. You can go ahead and do that, and it will give you the exchange rate. That's fine. However, there's an issue here because you don't know what the fees are going to be. And so you don't really know how much you have to exchange, because let's say you're sending a specific amount to yourself or someone else. You need to know that they are going to receive a specific amount of money. So the way to get around this and make sure that they receive a specific amount of money is to actually do the transfer automatically all in one go. So you're going to send the transfer, do a foreign currency exchange and pay fees. And Wise are going to tell you exactly how much you need to pay in order for the recipient to receive the exact amount. So what we're going to do is go and send some money. So go down to recipients, and what we're going to do is send some money. So I've got some recent recipients here. So let's say that I want to send to this account. Down at the bottom, I'm going to press send. And from here it says, okay, how much do you want to send? Now, what we can do here, down at the bottom, it says the recipient gets. So I can just press, let's say the recipient gets $250, and I'm going to be sending up at the top in pounds. Wise tell me exactly how much that I need to spend in pounds for the recipient to get an amount in US dollars. So they're going to do a foreign currency exchange. Up at the top, you can see that there is an exchange rate, and that is guaranteed for 3 hours. And there's also down at the bottom, it says total fees. This is a fee right here. Now, because this is an international payment, I have to pay the SWIFT transfer fee, which is expensive, no matter which bank that you're using. So I have to spend £20.53 on that. But Wise knows exactly how much the exchange rate is and the fee is. So for the recipient to get exactly $250, then it's going to tell me exactly how much I have to spend. Now down here, it also says in the middle, it says pay with my bank. So I'm going to keep that as is, and it's going to draw the money out of my bank in pounds. It's going to do the foreign currency exchange and pay the fees, and it's going to draw the exact amount out of my bank for me. So I'm going to press continue. You can see the fees here, how much we send and everything else. Down at the bottom, it says continue to payment. What it will do is open my banking app on my phone, confirm that it's going to draw out the exact amount of money that I need. And then from there, it's going to draw that. Once the payment goes from my local bank account into Wise and settles, then they will make the payment, the foreign currency exchange and everything else, and send it to the bank details that I gave them. If you need a full video guide for Wise, I'll link that down in the description, plus some bonuses on the apps that I use. I'm James, it's MoneyZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.